Katie, are you smiling at your friend? Now leave her alone. Katie, are you smiling at Elmo and Mickey? Do you see Mickey Mouse? Okay, you got a smile for Mommy?
Yes. Hey, Kiwi.
Caitlin.
Kiwi. Look. Kiwi.
Let's see that smile again.
Happy.
Katie.
At me. At me.
Katie.
Kiwi.
Caitlin. Where's Elmo?
Emma.
Where's Mickey Mouse?
Me.
You see Mickey Mouse? M-I-C-K-E-Y M-O-U-S-E.
Mickey. I want a picture of Mickey. I want a picture. I want a picture of Mickey. I want a
Go get
picture.
Mickey. I'll take you a picture. I'll take your picture. Go ahead.
I want a picture of Mickey.
Okay, go get that big Mickey. I'll take your picture of that Mickey.
That Mickey?
The one on the couch.
That's us. Yes, yes, yes. That's the picture. That's the picture. That's the picture.
All right. Bye-bye, Katie.
Bye-bye, Kiwi.